No matter where we are in the world, innovation is happening right in front of us. Let's take a look at some of the groundbreaking technologies in development today. We begin on Mount Etna for a lunar landscape. That's where the German Space Agency organized a team of DLR rovers to complete a 4-day simulated mission of collecting rock samples on the Moon. The Autonomous Robotic Networks to Help Modern Societies, or ARCHES for short, wants to test the ability of autonomous robots to coordinate their movements and share newly discovered information. This team of rovers operates from a fixed lunar lander supplying Wi-Fi and power, and are accompanied by a drone for surface mapping. A 4-wheeled, 2-armed Interact rover is remotely guided by geological scientists and astronauts. They use force feedback control technology to experience what the rover's gripper feels when it picks up rocks. Missions like these make sure we'll be ready when we want to work with a fleet of drones from the space station orbiting the Moon. Next up, we travel to New York for a Clockwork manicure. This 10-minute express manicure is given by a fully autonomous robot. The robot uses artificial intelligence and a 3D camera to paint each nail flawlessly without a manicurist in sight. All you have to do is select your nail polish, load the cartridge, and watch the robot paint one nail at a time. Keep an eye out next time you're hopping on a plane, as Xwell is bringing this technology to airport travelers around the world. Our final destination is Sweden, where Oscar Nilsson, a forensic artist, spent 350 hours reconstructing the likeness of a Stone Age woman. Nilsson used CT scans of her skull to make an exact replica using a 3D printer. To forensically recreate a face, it's important to know the sex, age, weight, and ethnicity. Unfortunately, her DNA was too degraded to identify her genetic background. So this modern-day sleuth researched the migration waves into ancient Scandinavia and determined she likely had brown hair and eyes, giving a face to a Neolithic woman who lived 4,000 years ago. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.